let's start from the beginning, mate. Tell us a little bit about yourself. I guess even before you decided to join Cyber Revolution, what you were doing and what made you think about a career change into cyber. What was it?
Yeah, so as soon as I graduated from school, about a month after that, COVID hit, and originally I had my Sparky certificate, but couldn't find a job in that, obviously, because of COVID.
Mm-hmm.
I managed to find a roofing job, and then I did that for about 3 years. And at some point in the 3 years, I started to realize that this probably isn't a forever career. And I've got a love and a massive passion for IT. I build all my friends' computers. I just constantly paying attention to how the technical world's going and whatnot. And yeah, so then I started looking at cybersecurity jobs and well, actually no, I started looking at just IT jobs to start off with on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
And then as Facebook does, it looked at what I was searching and it's like, oh, here's some ads for you. So then I ran across or come across Cyber Revolution and I started watching some videos about it, looked at some reviews, and I listened to almost all of the podcasts, just see what it was like while I was at work. And yeah, so now I'm here.
Yeah, surreal feeling. You've come full circle, right?
Yeah,
And so a few things to unpack there, right? I think you're a young guy. You're 21 years old. To be able to have the self-awareness to realize that this isn't the thing that you want to be doing for the rest of your life. You've obviously worked pretty hard to go through your apprenticeship. And so was that scary? Was that a scary thought to think, you know what? I've just put 3 years of my life into getting this apprenticeship, but it's not for me. I'm going to do something different. Was that overwhelming?
yeah, it was a little bit. I was on pretty good money and full time then, and I knew that I would have to take a step back in order to move forward.
Yep.
That was a little bit worrying, but so far I'm very much loving it.
Yeah, good, mate. Like you're 21 years old. You've got such a massive amount of time to be able to, make money. You're going to make more money in cybersecurity than you ever would in being a Sparky or being a roofer.
Yeah,
That's obviously not what it's about for you. And
yeah,
we preach all the time. Yes, you can make really good money, but if you're in it just for the quick cash grab, that's not the kind of people we want to attract and the industry wants to attract. You have to
mm,
be in it for the right reasons. And you obviously are because as I said, you've been wanting to build your friends' computers and your mates' computers for years now. And we're going to unpack that a little bit further. But yeah, tell us a little bit about the role that you've landed now.
So right now I'm a IT help desk level 1. So any of the end users around our company, they come to me for any of their issues. And I'm learning some of the back end and networking and whatnot. But for the most part, I just take care of the ticketing system and assign my other colleagues with their jobs and fix the printer problems and
Yep.
whatnot.
So it's stuff that you probably, as I said, you're really well adversed at. It's what you're studying with us now. We're starting with you the basics of hardware and software. So you're pretty comfortable in that. But the point of it is for you to progress really quickly, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Through the ranks. Have the company you're working for, have they given you that pathway to progression?
Yeah, definitely.